Hey guys, welcome to today's art video. So today I decided to take a dive into my childhood and draw Rainbow Brite. I guess I kind of have been on a nostalgia kick recently, with also doing the Unico piece a few weeks ago. I'm not sure why, it's just kind of nice to look back and remember that stuff, I guess. So when I was looking up references for this drawing, I found out that they actually made a reboot of it. So if it's not obvious already, I'm drawing the 80s version of Rainbow Brite, the version I grew up with. So I finally got off my ass and started uploading some select works onto ArtStation. If you don't know what it is, it's just a website where artists can upload their work and kind of treat it as a portfolio site. I figured I needed some kind of portfolio site so I can easily show people if they wanted to see my work. I post too much personal stuff on my Instagram, so it's not a clear feed of just my artwork, and my personal site, chezlin.com, is kind of a mess right now. So in the meantime, I figured ArtStation would be perfect for my portfolio site. When you upload photos, you can upload a bunch of different photos within the project, I guess, and so since a lot of my artwork has the speed drawings to go with them, I was uploading the videos as well. And while I was looking through my older videos, I realized that my older non-voiceover art videos were actually pretty long, about 15 or so minutes, whereas my voiceover videos are shorter, usually under 10 minutes. I guess I never really feel like I can fill up a video with me talking, so those videos end up shorter, and then with only half of it with me talking. Seeing my older videos made me start rethinking how I do these art videos. What do you guys think? Should I make them longer again? Or should I make them even shorter? And talking? Yay or nay? Do you think if I continue with these voiceovers that I should go with a more organized approach and kind of have topics to talk about in the videos? Or should I keep doing this stream of consciousness kind of thing that I've been doing? I'll make a poll that should pop up in the top right corner of the video so you can let me know which you guys would prefer. I'm making these videos for you guys, so I want to make sure that I'm doing something that you guys want to see, you know? Anyway, I'm going to let the video continue on until this piece is finished now. I hope you guys enjoyed this piece. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to see more, then please subscribe. On Tuesdays, I do art videos, and on Thursdays, I do DIY videos. I stream on Twitch a couple times a week, but no set schedule yet, so you'll need to follow me on there or on Instagram or Twitter to be notified when I go live. If you're interested in catching a stream, of course. If you're interested in buying a print of my work, check out my Society 6 or in print, which will be linked down below. Again, thanks for checking out my video, and I'll see you guys later this week. Bye!